Hello, my friends. Do you love the A1 card size? Well, guess what? I have some goodies for you today, and I have a brand new Fold It. Let's check them out. The first thing I just have to share with you right away. This was a huge, huge customer request. What is it? It is an A1 card base with the fold at the top. What? I know. So we really can't do that for A2 because that would be the same size as an 8.5 by 11 cardstock piece. But A1 fits, and look at how amazing this is. It looks massive, doesn't it? But it's an A1 top fold. I love top fold cards. They're so much fun. Now this one comes with some words. It says, thinking of you, have faith, and I am so grateful. It comes with a stitched rectangle. It comes with a straight rectangle, some fun stuff. Now, that's really awesome, but you're thinking, Stephanie, I really love that, but I wish I had more A1 rectangles because, you know, you want to do frames or you want to do more layering. Well, guess what, my friends? Dun, 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 dun. A1 rectangle frames. Rectangles and frames, whatever you want, but the nice thing is they're perfect for A1 layering. Now, you would think that back in the day when we first started card making, what, billions of years ago or whatever, right? That we would have made 5x7 A2 and A1, this is like invitation size, all the same ratio. So when you had a 5x7 envelope, meaning when you had 5x7 card bases, 5x7 rectangles, that the A1s would line up. They don't. They don't. Bummer. So we needed we needed A1 rectangles. So there we go. Now, another item that we are releasing is very special to me because, as you know, my twins had a farm birthday party, and we've already released the 5x7 barn Fold It and the cute little piggy and the chicken, the lamb. Dun, 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 dun. Here is the new cow Fold It, and he's so cute. Michelle made the cutest little stuffy. I absolutely love this little critter. Look at him, he's just so cute. I love him. A2 size card, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, fits in a standard envelope. So you can put this on banners, you can put this on scrapbook pages, you can put this on invitations, on cards, you can make it a card, meaning it can be an A2 size card. Look at this. Dun, 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 dun. Isn't that cute? So cute. Now this one has a cute little hat on. Now let's look at our A1 envelopes first. It can also be a side fold, you guys. Look at this. Dun, 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 dun. Isn't that awesome? So normally it'd be like this, but you can turn it this way if you want. Here we have a cute dad. Look at all those rectangles. So now you'll be able to layer your A1 rectangles perfectly. You won't have to worry about it. Look at that. Dad, you are my hero. Perfect for Father's Day. That's using the mom and dad to love stamps, and the inside scallop circles, which are right here. Love it. Here's a fun, cute one. Make a wish. Now this is using our rectangles. Love it. Open it up. Yippee, it's your birthday. Here's a cute one. Have faith using our posies. Love those posies. Let me tell you. Beautiful. Love that. Look at those fun rectangles. You got this. Now here's a cute one. I love how you can totally do this 2 different looks, right? Right there. There's our folds. Right there. 2 different options. And sometimes you just want to make a smaller card. You don't necessarily want to make a big card, and the A1s are perfect for that. So sometimes you just want to get a little tiny stuff on there and get it sent. Look at this. Thinking of You comes in the die set. We have our posies and we have our cute little bunny. I love that bunny. You guys, that bunny is like one of my faves. Almost all of the same products used on these, but totally different looks, right? Oh, here's a beautiful one. Now this one uses the stencil from the lemonade/citrus stencil set, and it's just using the inside of the lemon, also known as the flower part. Look at how gorgeous that is. And it says, wake up every morning with the thought that something wonderful is going to happen. Absolutely love that. Extras for windows is where that comes from. So beautiful. Oh, look at this one. Using our sandals for summer dies. Absolutely love that. Thinking of You. So fun. On the back, Yvette has even put her little personalized stamp. It says, crafted just for you because you're priceless, by Yvette. Love that. Cute. Here we go. Have faith. So fun. Here's another one. There's another one. Have faith. Totally different looks, you guys, right? Totally different. This one has an inside, cute little hearts on the inside. Here is a gorgeous one. I am so grateful. I am so grateful. This is also using the Stitch Swirl background die and the Bird Bath to Stamp dies, stamps and dies. So cute. I love that, my friend. Here's a cute one. Thinking of you. Thinking of you. Oh, happy birthday. Now, let's look at some cows. Oh, here's that lemonade stencil again. You guys, if you don't have that lemonade stencil, you're totally missing the boat on that one. Because there we go again, the flowers, just the inside. Now, if you don't use the flowers on the inside, you could also use just the circles that it comes with as well. So it's a lot of fun. This is our 5x7 decal edge. Look at that. Decal edge card base. Absolutely love it with our little cow. Moo. I just want to say moo. How cow you doing? So that's also using the cow pudgy, I believe. Isn't that cute? And our grass at the bottom. So love that. That's the Slimline Borders grass. Here we go. Look at our farm animals to stamp and dies and our border dies, the grass. So cute. Look at the clouds. I love those clouds as well. Those are the clouds from the Frog Club set. Just a heads up on that. And lots of 3D ink. Happy birthday. Ooh, here's that fence. You guys, you know you're always going to see that fence, right? Every time you come here, you're going to see this fence because it's awesome. Look at that. Love Moo. So cute. Here is our little cow just as a cow, right? Sometimes you just need a cow. Perfect. Oh my goodness gracious, you guys. Look at this one. Holy cow. This is using our 5x7 card base, our flowers with sign, our taco to stamp die, our flowers to layer, our flower pot folded, and our little peep cow. Look at how cute and gorgeous that is. Makes you want to go out, right? And go check out that little cow. Holy cow, you're getting old. Happy birthday. Absolutely love that. Now, if you subscribe to one of our kits and you're a club member, that means you get a 15 to 20% off the entire website. But if you get in ASAP, when these are first released on the website, you know the deal. Flash sale prices. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. And you know what? If you do not subscribe to one of our kits, you need to check it out ASAP because you're missing out on all the extra discounts and all the fun goodies. 15 to 20% off. You get club points, you get anniversary gift certificates, and you get freebies for joining. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.